morning and welcome to my lesson class. If you are coming across the video for the first time, please do well to follow, comment, like, and share my post, please. Okay? And I have four platforms where you can see all my teaching classes: the Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Snapchat. Please do well to, and Instagram also. Please do well to follow up, okay? Now we're going to solve this further mathematics question, which says if 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equal to 32 and log x base y is equal to 2, find the value of x and y. So we are going to solve it for you to understand, okay? We're going to solve it in an easy way. And solution. If 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equal to 32 and log x is y is equal to 2, we are asked to find what? Find x and y. So we are starting with this one. So 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equal to 32. Okay, 32. Now, since this one is in base 2, we can be able to raise 32 in base 2, and it will be 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equal to base 2 of 32 is what? 2 to the power of 5. That is 2 multiplied 5 times. Okay. Now, since the bases are the same, we equate the powers. So we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Now we call this one our equation 1. Now for the second one, it says log x base y is equal to 2. Okay. Now according to the law of indices, law of logarithm that says log b base a is equal to c. Okay, log b base a is equal to c is the same as log b base a is equal to c is the same as b is equal to, you raise this one to the power of what? C. So it will now be a to the power of c. So we are going to apply that rule here. Now it means that this y is going to raise the 2 here. So it will be x is equal to y to the power of 2. Now we call this one equation 2. Okay. Now let's substitute. We are going to use substitution method to get our x and y. Let's substitute for y for x here. So substitute x for y squared in equation 1. So we are going to use equation 1 to substitute for x. Anywhere we see x, replace y squared. Okay, y to the power of 2, replace y to the power of 2. So here in equation 1 we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. So 2y squared minus 3y is equal to 5. So 2y squared is what? That is 2 multiplied by y squared. Let me continue from here. 2 multiplied by y squared is what? 2y squared. Now minus 3y is equal to 5. So let's make it a quadratic equation. Okay, so 2y squared minus 3y, 5 will cross over to become minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So we are going to look for a number. Remember, we're going to multiply this one to give us 10. That is 2 times like 10. So we're going to look for a number, and when we multiply it, it will give us 10. When we multiply two numbers, if we multiply it, it will give us 10. If we add it together, it will give us 3. Okay, and what number is that? So we have minus 5 times 2. Minus 5 times 2. Minus 5 times 2 will give you minus 10, because this is minus 5. So 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. So minus 5 times 2 will give me minus 10. And minus 5 plus 2 will give me minus 3. So this one suits my equations. I'm going to replace 3 with what I have here. So I'm going to have 2y squared minus 5y plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now I group them. This will go to this will go to this. Okay, now let's look for common factors. What can divide? So here I'm having only y as something that can divide. Okay, so y will come out. What will remain? Y divided by this will be 2y. Okay, and y into minus 5y will give me minus 5 because y here will cancel this y. So here what can go? It's only one that can go. Okay, that is number 1. So I'll place that one. Now 1 into this will still remain 2y, and 1 into minus 5 is still minus 5 is equal to 0. Now since the inside brackets are the same, we take one outside and one inside. So we have x plus 1 and 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, what do we do? Y plus 1 is equal to 0, or 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, it means that y is equal to plus 1 will cross over to become minus 1. Or now here we have 2y minus 5. Sorry, 2y is equal to minus 5 will cross over to become plus 5. Now we are looking for y and not 2y, so we divide by 2. Divide by 2. Our y here will be 5 over 2. Okay, now we have gotten the values of y. Let's look for the value of x. So we are going to substitute what we have here in equation 2. We are going to substitute what we have here in equation 2 to get our y. So we have y squared, let me write it. Substitute y in equation 2. Okay, and our equation 2 is x is equal to y squared. So our x is equal to y is what? Our y here is 1. So 1 squared. And 1 squared means minus 1 times minus 1. And minus times minus is plus. 1 times 1 is still 1. Now we have two values of y. So this is for when y is what? Y is minus 1. Okay, let me write it. When y is equal to minus 1. So that will not be confused in equation. This is equation 2. So when y is equal to minus 1, our x will be what? 1. Now when y is equal to 5 over 2, our x will be equal to y squared, that is 5 over 2 squared. And 5 over 2 squared is what? 5 squared means 5 times 5, which is 25. And 2 squared means 2 times 2, which is that is our answer. So the value of y is minus 1 or 5 over 2, and the value of x is 1 or 25 over 4. Do well to like my videos. Send your questions across my comment section and I will be able to answer you. Thank you for watching. Bye.